Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashi. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing Korean makeup. So let's start. Firstly, here I'm applying primer. So next I'm applying foundation all over my face. Now for concealer, I'm only highlighting on the areas that I want to brighten up. For blush, I'll do the placement at the center of my face and lid on the tip of my nose. Now here I'm setting my makeup with a loose powder. So this is my eye makeup inspo. Firstly, I'm using a light shade and applying on the center of my eyelid. Then I'm applying pink shade. Now take a flat brush and apply a pink shade on the lower lash line. Now here I'm going to draw an aiguille cell. Here I'm highlighting my inner corner. For eyeliner, I'm just going to create a very thin line. For mascara, do individual lashes. And don't forget your lower lash line. For contour, I'm just gonna start from my brow bone and also on the tip of my nose. Adding highlighter on the tip of my nose and right on the top of my cheekbone. For lips, I'm using a peach nude shade. And here my makeup is done. I hope you guys liked my video. And if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.